A car travels 30 kilometers per hour. How far in 4 hours? Answer is 120. 26 plus 5 times 7 equals? Answer is 61. A car travels 40 kilometers per hour. How far in 4 hours? Answer is 160. A $80 item has 20% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 64. 10% of 100 equals? Answer is 10. Simplify the ratio 20-32. Answer is 5:8. A car travels 40 kilometers per hour. How far in 3 hours? Answer is 120. 2:4 equals 10? Answer is 20. 28 plus 6 times 5 equals? Answer is 58. A car travels 30 kilometers per hour. How far in 2 hours? Answer is 60. A car travels 60 kilometers per hour. How far in 6 hours? Answer is 360. 4 plus 6 times 4 equals? Answer is 28. Simplify the ratio 42-54. Answer is 7:9. 17 plus 5 times 5 equals? Answer is 110. 200 is what percent of 500? Answer is 40%. 9:9 equals 72? Answer is 72. A $100 item has 30% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 70. 8 plus 11 times 12 equals? Answer is 140. A $120 item has 25% off. What is the sale price? Answer is 90. 25% of 200 equals? Answer is 50.